In 3, 2, 1, go!
We see some mechanisms extended. 2, 1, 2, 3 cubes scored for the Red Alliance during the autonomous period. We watch as 3 blue robots race themselves forward. We also see a robot on that charging station. Right out of autonomous, lots of stuff happening very quickly in this match. Expect to see lots of action from these 6 robots. Watching as we've got the Atom Smashers making their way across the field with that robot with all that purple and green, those LED lights, as well as their alliance partners, the Hawaiian kids, scoring a cone very quickly and then making that cycle quick to go and get another. Meanwhile, on the other side, the Blue Alliance, we are watching as we watch the Boucherie Bears grabbing that cone from the center of the field. Looks like they're having a little bit of trouble. Their alliance partners seem to be getting in their way, but rushing towards the loading station on the opposite side. Meanwhile, we're watching as Warrior Borgs are lining up with their arm extended with that cone in place, trying to score it on that grid. We are seeing if that cone will score on the grid, and it seems to have scored near the bottom of it, the base. We'll have to see what the referees say later. Meanwhile, we're watching as we have 2 of red robots in their loading zone here. Looks like they're trying to get cubes and cones, and they might be getting defended right on the edge of it by the Blue Alliance. It looks like 32-56, that's Warrior Borgs getting right out of the way. That defense was not enough to stop them. Meanwhile, on the opposite side, the Boucherie Bears making their way to that charge station. Looks like they're lining up. Their alliance partners, Thunderbots, making their way across the field. Looks like they're trying to actively defend that red scoring cycle. It's happening quite quickly again and again, but the Hawaiian kids and their robot are evading right through. That's also made space for their alliance partners on the Red Alliance to go back to the opposite side of the field to try and pick up some more cubes. We've got about 40 seconds left in this match. Boucherie Bears look like they're trying to score for their alliance on the far side. They've got a cube nearby, and they seem to be about to score it. Let's see if they can grab that cube and put it in the scoring zone by the end of the match. Meanwhile, the Hawaiian kids trying to line up and place that cone on one of the top grid pieces. Let's see. Looks like they've landed it in place. Hopefully it stays there by the end of the match. 2 of the red robots are also balanced already on that charging station. 2 blue robots balanced with 15 seconds left. Watching as we see blue and red robots trying to repeat that cycle. Seems like the Robo-Dogs have backed off from one more cycle in fear of knocking their alliance partners off of that charge station. Hawaiian kids try to get one more! All right, and that sums up qualification match 37. Well, that's it. The Red Alliance winning with a score of 114-39. As you've noticed, that grid score is quite high, and you can see that happening with all of those quick cycles going from all 3 robots during that match. Congratulations to all teams.